Huatian Engineering and Technology Corporation, MCC, is the backbone enterprise under China Minmetals Corporation and Metallurgical Corporation of China Limited, Fortune 500 enterprises, and solution provider with scientific R&D and engineering design as its locomotive for urban and industry development system, and full life cycle integrated service provider starting from investment, financing, project consulting, project planning, engineering design, and construction to operation. Predecessors of Huatian are Ma'anshan Iron and Steel Design and Research Institute, founded in 1962 under the former Ministry of Metallurgical Industry, and Baotou Engineering and Research Corporation of Iron and Steel Industry under the former Ministry of Metallurgical Industry. Huatian now has completely finished its transformation and is now witnessing a new pattern of coordinated development in Nanjing, Ma'anshan, and Baotou. While finding its position under the strategic positioning of National Team of Metallurgical Construction, main force of capital construction, and pacemaker of new rising industry, insisting on taking the road of high-tech construction in the long term of MCC Group, Huatian devotes itself to providing high-tech and smarter management services for its clients, developing operation services featuring steady cash flow and promoting vigorously rational proportioning and fast development of iron and steel engineering, environmental protection and energy conservation, housing and public utilities, project consulting, health and senior care industry. Huatian now has established 6 technology research institutes, 8 engineering design divisions, 1 international consulting company, and 1 water treatment operation service company. Huatian is contractor, investor, and operation service provider with international technological edges in environmental protection field in China. The company is well known for its unique industry integration ability in wastewater sewage treatment, precise diagnosis and integrated control and operation of pipeline gallery, stinky water treatment and river lake regulation, soil improvement and ecological restoration, solid waste and hazardous waste treatment, air pollution control, waste heat recovery and utilization, heat supply in urban areas, urban fine drinking water engineering, combined cycle power plant, solar photovoltaic power generation, etc. Urban heat supply of Baotou City in Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region is all planned and designed by Huatian. Percentage of urban centralized heat supply and combined heat and power generation of Baotou City ranks first across China. Baotou Municipal Fine Drinking Water Project, implemented by Huatian, is the first of its kind in China and is being popularized to other cities. Huatian is in charge of over 20 water treatment companies and several stinky water and river lake regulation companies, with daily handling capacity amounting to over 3 million tons, and has about 100 river and lake regulation references. As the support enterprise for environmental protection-related equipment manufacturing encouraged by the government, Huatian is rewarded with several invention awards and patents for the inverted umbrella aerator and impeller developed and manufactured by it. Huatian, with its unique technological edges in the field, is also editor-in-chief and editor of several national and industrial standards. Health and senior care industry is the new engine and development impetus of Huatian during its business transformation, adapting to industry development trend and urgent market demand, supported by MCC Health and Senior Care Industry Research Institute. Huatian is committed to technology research and full industry chain development, starting from project consulting, planning, investment, engineering design, construction and operation in health and senior care industry, and is capable of providing all-round comprehensive services integrating medical care, fit keeping, nursing home, health maintenance, tourism, leisure and culture, and can provide satisfactory implementation solution catering to specific requirements of clients. Huatian is solution provider for urban development systems. With its talent advantages in building and municipal public utilities, the company is vigorously promoting engineering design and construction of underground pipeline gallery, spongy city, smarter city, beautiful countryside, smarter building, green building and construction industrialization, and can provide all-round services ranging from project consulting, planning, engineering design, procurement, construction to operation. Many housing projects designed and built by Huatian has become the model projects and exemplary building of the local area. Huatian is also editor-in-chief of Node Structure Drawing, Survey and Design Guidelines, and Survey and Design Extent Regulations of Urban Underground Comprehensive Pipe Gallery of Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region. Availing itself of its resources in the south and north, Huatian is determined to make its traditional line of project consulting businesses better and stronger. Meanwhile, the company is also proactively providing high-end consulting services, including technology consulting and development strategies, internal control and risk management, and project management for enterprises in iron and steel engineering, environmental protection and energy conservation, housing and public utilities, health and senior care industry, and Internet Plus. Huatian possesses several project consulting qualifications, is National Top 100 Consulting Enterprise with references widespread at home and abroad, and is marching towards world-class project management enterprise. MCC is the pioneer and main force of the Chinese iron and steel industry, the largest metallurgical construction contractor and operation service provider in the world. Huatian is among the first tier in CMC and MCC, National Team of Metallurgical Construction, and is forerunner in bar and section engineering technology, with over 50% market share in China, and equipment of the whole line exported to Turkey, South Africa, Oman, Brazil, and Argentina. Huatian is also the champion in China in big H-section engineering and possesses over 80% market share in the field. In the past 60 years, Huatian has accomplished engineering and system integration for numerous long product projects in China, accumulated its core technologies and smarter control technologies for long product engineering, equipment configuration, and EIA control, is capable of process engineering, equipment manufacturing and supply, plant engineering and operation services provision, and can provide full life cycle services for clients. Huatian also takes the lead in contributing to greener iron and steel making, and has unique advantages in large enclosed stockyard, extra-large sintering machine, long campaign life and diagnosis technology for BF, smart steel making and ferroalloy smelting, and is devoted to providing all-round services for iron and steel enterprises in their transformation and upgrading, environmental protection and energy conservation, internet plus iron and steel making, etc. Huatian, guided by its core value, efficiency creates value, innovation propels development, and quality builds up an everlasting brand, will give full play to its advantages and talents in its attempt to become a prestigious, world-class, high-tech enterprise with strong profitability, multiple products, and strong development impetus. so as to realize the long-term target of growing stronger, better, and bigger.